Chapter 1 through 8, The Art of Start Breakdown. Chapter 1, The Art of Starting Up. Select a partner that shares your vision and level of commitment. Don't pick someone for their money. Make meaning, make not money or a cool place to work, but something to change the world. Make mantra. Express what you want to do for your consumers and society, but be short, sweet, and to the point. Select a business model that best targets your startup niche, and you'll be tweaking it constantly, so don't worry if it's not perfect at the beginning. And weave a map, milestones, assumptions, tests, and tracks. The art of launching. Jump curves, see the end game, and go for it. Pick a good name. Early letters get seen more, and know the meaning of your name to avoid negative implications in the future. Don't worry, be crappy, meaning don't worry about being the best out of the beginning, just get a product onto the market and improve along the way. Craft a strong positioning. Answer the question, what do you do, and make the people believe and understand how you differ from the competition. Tell a story. Give them the same faith that you have in the business. Art of leading. Exude optimism always. Never show defeat. Establish a culture of execution. Set and communicate goals. Measure progress. Establish accountability. And be part of the solution, not the problem. Select a Morpheus and a Devil's Advocate. Your Morpheus is going to be a realist, someone who tells you the truth, good or bad. Your Devil's Advocate is going to be somebody that tells you the bad, whether they believe it themselves or not, and they're necessary for strategic decisions. And always hire better than yourself. If you believe in yourself, believe in the ones that you hire. It shows that you are willing to hire with humility. Bootstrapping. Manage cash flow, not profitability. Don't worry about making a profit. Keep the money moving. Utilize the free resource that is the cloud and take advantage of it. Hire unproven individuals. With these, you include low salary, affordable perks, controllable energy, and a person eager to learn and take on new challenges. Position yourself against a current leading or existing leading opponent in the market. Save yourself millions in PR and advertising, and it'll allow you to feed off of their already known presence in the market. Take care of the small stuff like office furniture, supplies, location, etc. first, and then focus on the main things, the larger stuff. And understaff and outsource to save money. Outsource like call centers, manufacturing, and distribution. Fundraising. Crowdfunding is good, but for lower tier and less income. Up-and-coming investors might seek out angel investors who are driven to give back to society and possibly make a return. Larger enterprises seek out venture capitalists who are driven to make money on their investment and possibly pay back society. Know your target audience and unveil competition. It shows interest in your business. Also, acquire a seasoned lawyer and don't spend what you make. Pitching. Be prepared for everything, anything that could go wrong. Inquire your constraints and know your audience interests. Follow the 10-20-30. 10 slides. Get to the point, stimulate interest. 20 minutes. Be informative and concise, and 30-point font. Slides are to lead, not to read. Provide accurate numbers and be transparent. Honesty to investors is easier handled up front rather than hidden to be uncovered later. Building a team. When we're building a team, ignore the unrelated. Focus on can the candidate do what you need? Does the candidate believe in what you're doing? And is the candidate likable and trustworthy? Always listen to yourself and your gut. Every day is a new day with new struggles, wins, failures, and successes. Make them all count and make your team prepared for this. Build on your team's weakest. Focus on the weakest link first. Finally, evangelizing. It's about what you do for them in the present, not what you're going to become. Touch gold. Practice it and preach about it. Believe in what you're going to do and others will believe in you too. Make it real, make it personable, and make it relatable so other people can see where you're coming from. Find one of the biggest needs in the market and fill it. You'll be helping everyone. And don't forget to schmooze. Put yourself out there, win the people over, and make yourself known. Give yourself good brand awareness. Thanks for listening and have a good one.